In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw trend lines. Use trend lines as support resistance on Tradingview. If you're looking at your chart right now, you can see a clear example of how the market moves in a structured way over time. Price does not move randomly. It creates waves, forming higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, which is exactly what we are seeing on this gold chart on Tradingview. Understanding this structure is the first step to using trend lines effectively. Now to begin, make sure your chart is open and clean so you can clearly see price movement. On the left side of Tradingview, you will find the drawing tools. From there, select the Trendline tool. This is the main tool you will use to connect important price points on the chart. On this chart, the market is trending upward, so your focus should be on the swing lows. You want to connect at least 2 or more higher lows with a straight line. This creates an ascending trend line. This line represents dynamic support, meaning price often reacts and bounces whenever it comes back to this level. As you draw your trend line, make sure you are connecting areas where price clearly reacted before. Do not force the line to fit every candle. Instead, align it with natural points where the market respected support. The more touches your trend line has, the stronger and more reliable it becomes. Once your trend line is in place, observe how price interacts with it. In many cases, price will come back to retest the trend line before continuing the upward movement. This is where traders look for potential buying opportunities, because the trend line acts like a support zone. If price eventually breaks below the trend line, that is also important. It can signal that the trend is weakening or shifting, and what was once support may turn into resistance when price retests it from below. Looking at this gold chart, you can also notice how the trend is supported by moving averages, but the trend line itself gives you a clearer visual guide of the market structure. Combining both can help you understand momentum better and avoid emotional decisions. A useful tip is to always zoom out a little before drawing your trend line. This helps you see the bigger trend instead of focusing on small movements that may not matter in the overall structure. With consistent practice, drawing trend lines will become second nature, and you'll start seeing support and resistance zones more clearly across any chart. If you found this helpful, make sure to apply it on your own charts and practice regularly. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.